What if you could become a job-ready AI software engineer in just 3 months? In just 90 days you can go from beginner to someone who can build real-world web applications, use AI models, and deploy products to the cloud like a pro. Welcome to SmartStack, a practical beginner-friendly program to become an AI-powered software engineer in just 3 months. You will do web development, front-end plus back-end, AI and machine learning, cloud deployment, capstone project plus GitHub portfolio. No fluff, no outdated theory, just real projects designed to make you truly job-ready. You will build an AI-powered chatbot, a resume screener, a product recommender system, and deploy everything to the cloud. You will also get Resume plus LinkedIn profile optimization, freelancing tip and career guidance, lifetime community access, GitHub portfolio review. All of this for just 50,000 rupees, that's 50% of our regular 1 lakh program fee. But wait, we have got more for you. If you enroll in person at our Delhi office, we will waive the 10,000 processing and verification fee. You pay just 40,000. Why? Because we love meeting our future engineers face to face. We promise to give you the skills, projects and guidance to confidently apply for jobs, internships or even start freelancing. Join SmartStack today. Applications are open. Your transformation begins now.